Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to do marketing of organic farm using WhatsApp. So let's take an example that you are an organic farm owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your organic farm business advertisement, and with those ads you are getting lots of entries or leads on daily basis. But you are unable to reply to those leads and lose lot of potential clients. Now you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the leads from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your organic farm brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your organic farm brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. But here there is a problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is the Facebook page name ABC Organic Farm. This is the Facebook lead ad form, organic farm brochure form, and this is the form actually looks like. This is the organic farm brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, that is the Facebook lead ad form, automatically the brochure which is saved into my Google Drive, it should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with a message. So let us fill this form. And here I'll just give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Adam Smith. I'll give his phone number over here. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here we can see a new message. Hello Adam Smith. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Organic Farm. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our organic farm business. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, ABC Organic Farm. Okay, so a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find an organic farm brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled a Facebook lead ad form over here and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the organic farm brochure link. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. So I'll be showing you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your organic farm brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as how to do marketing of organic form using WhatsApp. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also and click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your organic farm brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the Facebook page and the lead generation form that we have created to capture the leads. So the Facebook page name is ABC Organic Farm. This is the test page which I have created. So we have to select this particular page and this is the lead generation form, that is Organic Farm Brochure form. So we have to select this form also. So let us go to Pabbly Connect and here let us select the page name, that is ABC Organic Farm. And here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured just because I have created just single form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down, you can select the form whatever you want to select. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this lead generation form and we have to create a test lead on the name of some customer. Just because after clicking on this option, that is save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So let us go to the form and let us fill this form on the name of some customer. Let's give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya. And here in the phone number field, I have to give the WhatsApp number of the customer. Unless the customer fills the WhatsApp number, the messages will not be going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here the customer has to fill the WhatsApp number. Let's give her phone number over here. That is the WhatsApp number. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you are all set. Okay, let's go to Pabbly Connect. And now let us click on save and send test request. Let's give her phone number over here. That is the WhatsApp number. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you are all set. Okay, let's go to Pabbly Connect. And now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the details that we have filled in the form. That is the name Shikha Arya, her email address and the mobile number is captured over here. Now we want to send the organic farm brochure to this customer on this WhatsApp number. So let us come to this action window and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, we have to select send template message. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions one by one. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So let's go to 360 Dialog account. This is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts. And here we can find generate API key. Simply click on this, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I have already generated the API key, so I'm not going to generate it again. Now the domain, enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So we are going to simply copy this example from here and we are going to paste it over here. Now once our account is approved, we get this particular domain by default. In your case, if you get some other domain, please paste that domain over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on save. As I have already created a connection, I'll choose this option, that is select existing connection, and I'll be clicking on save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select a template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once it is approved, then only that template can be used for sending the messages on WhatsApp. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to 360 dialog account, and here we can find manage templates option. Click on this. Here you can see I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on add template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category of the template as per your requirement. Various categories are available. From here you can select the language as per your choice. From here you can select the template type. Here you can give the template body text, that is the message that you want to send on WhatsApp number. Then click on preview and submit. Then it will be going for the approval, and once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template and I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is send brochure final template. Now here you can see I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. For example, let us read this template. Hello. Now here we want the name of the customer which is going to change every time. In this way the values will be changing. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your organic farm business name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our organic farm business. Here you can give the link, the brochure link or the online flyer link of your business. For more details, you can visit our website. Here the website address can be mentioned. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your business name is going to come. So here I want to give you one important information that whenever you send this message to WhatsApp number of the customer, the link whatever you are sending on the WhatsApp number will not be clickable. The customer will not be able to access that link. To make that link clickable, the customer needs to save your contact number in his contact list. That is the reason we have given the specific note over here that please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. This is the message for the customers, so that whenever they save your contact number in their contact list, the link will always be clickable and they will be able to access your brochures. So let us select this template, send brochure final, here in Pabbly Connect. Just find the same template over here. Now the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything now. Here recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the WhatsApp message. So we have already got the customer details here from Facebook lead ad forms. This was the mobile number and this was the full name of the customer. So we are going to map these details now. So let us just map the mobile number from Facebook lead ads, and this was the mobile number. Now here also an important instruction is mentioned. Enter the recipient mobile number with country code. An example is also given. +91 is mentioned. So here we can see that +91 is already added to the number. If the country code is missing, you have to add the country code in front of the number. Because without the country code, the messages will not be going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we have to map the customer WhatsApp number. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. Here in the template body field 1, we require the name of the customer. So let's just map the customer name here from Facebook lead ads, and the customer name was Shikha Arya. Body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in, here your business name is going to come. So we have created the Facebook page named ABC Organic Farm. So we have to give the same business name here in Pabbly Connect. Now body field 3, example software. Here, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our organic farm business. So let us just type the same over here, that is organic farm business. Body field 4, example, here we can see a link is given. So I have uploaded the organic farm brochure into my Google Drive. So I'll simply make a right click on this and I'll click on share option. Here we can find get link option. So simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Now body field 5, example, a website address is given. So here you can give your website address, or else I'll simply go to this Facebook page and from here I'll simply copy this URL and I'll just paste the URL over here. Okay, now body field 6, example Pabbly. Here in the template, thank you, regards, here your business name is going to come. So we have already pasted the business name, that is ABC Organic Farm. So we are going to type the same name here in body field 6 also. And now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. So let us go to WhatsApp and let us check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here I can find a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in ABC Organic Farm. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our organic farm business. So the same message which we have created in the template is displayed over here. Now things to note are the body fields and their values. So here we can see the customer name. This was the first body field value which we have mapped. The second value we have given was ABC Organic Farm, the business name. Third we have given was Organic Farm Business. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth value was the website address, and the sixth value of the body field was business name once again. So here in this message we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed. Let us check this link also. And here I can find Organic Farm brochure is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number. So in this way we can see that a correct message with the correct brochure link is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow. Data saved successfully. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create one more test lead on the name of some other customer now. So here I have filled the form. I have given the email address as nitin123@gmail.com. I have given the full name of the customer as Nitin Sharma and I have given the phone number over here. Let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you are all set. Okay, let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here we can see a new message. Hello Nitin Sharma. Thank you for showing your interest in ABC Organic Farm. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this customer, that is Nitin Sharma also. Now let us recheck this link. And here we can find the Organic Farm brochure is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number. So now here we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. And the correct message along with the correct brochure link are going on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your Organic Farm brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect.